A habitat is a natural environment where an animal lives. A habitat must provide an animal with three key things: food, shelter, and a safe place to raise its young. An animal will live in its habitat dependent on its individual needs. Humans differ slightly as they are able to make changes to their environment, for example using technology or creating buildings for them to live in. A polar bear is adapted to its habitat of the Arctic Circle. This is because it is a predator, an animal that hunts other animals. Living in the Arctic Circle, it has access to seals, reindeer, and fish. Did you know they can use their sense of smell to detect seals hiding under the snow? Polar bears also have thick white fur that reflects the sun and the snow. This means that they can camouflage and easily hunt their prey. Living on the ice, they are able to hunt, breed, and survive, living in the Arctic Circle, making it their perfect habitat.